There was drama and confusion as a team from Azimio clashed with police manning the ongoing Mavoko demolition in Machakos after they were blocked from getting access to the disputed area. Raila was blocked by highly armed police officers who were ready to fight him away at any cost. On their side, police claimed Raila and his team wanted to disrupt a very peaceful process that is set to be completed by next week. Raila was left talking to himself after he insisted he be respected and allowed to assess the damages ongoing, which police disputed, saying they were not destroying anything and they were just reclaiming the land to its original status. The disputed land is owned by Portland Cement Company and the demolition came after the settlers lost their case to the favor of the company. Only Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna was able to cool down the police and were allowed to address the media from the site. Raila had to turn away but regret the court decision, saying Ruto is a dictator and is ruling all other independent institutions like judiciary and parliament. He says this will not go unchallenged and they will go to higher courts to ensure the innocent people get paid for the damages and the loss they have gone through. But regrettably is the fact that no leader among them who is addressing the issue of the land selling company that sold this piece of land to Kenyans. It has been rumored that some local leaders in Machakos County who are in the front line defending the settlers are the one who sold this contentious piece of land to unsuspecting land buyers. They are well known. The banks that used to receive their money are also well known and can be investigated, but nobody is mentioning that. They are blaming the government without asking for the arrest of those people who sold this land to Kenyans. Machakos government has also been accused of approving all the constructions in this piece of land. At one point, the then Governor Alfred Mutua once accused one local MP for selling this land illegally to innocent Kenyans from far who never suspected they were being conned. So the question everyone is asking is, who sold this piece of land to Kenyans? Why is Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission not hunting down the seller? Why are these settlers reluctant of saying who sold the land to them? Let's just wait and see whether we'll get these answers in future.
I can't because it will interrupt what is going on. Yes, of course. It will interrupt the mission. We assume it will interrupt, allow us to continue. You confirm your meeting elsewhere, meet people elsewhere, but not using 1 minute. Something. But at the moment it interrupts. It interrupts Mr. Raila. It interrupts. It interrupts because we know what when you start talking, things will start unfolding. We after clearing the work we are doing, we can allow you to come. No. A day to come. We are not destroying. We are not destroying. We are doing the exact thing what was required to be done. Bringing the land back to the original place.
It is not the work of police, but it is not the work of the police. It's a private property. The people who demolish are doing the private property. It's not the government's work. It's not government's work.
Joseph, I think there is a middle ground here.
We drive through these are senior leaders.
I cannot.
Hata chakula mnakataza.
I cannot. Mheshimiwa knew what happened when he came last Sunday.
What happened?
He knows himself, he can tell you.
What happened? I came in and you refused me to talk to people?
You told yourself, people chased you away.
How?
They told you, leave us alone, we are peaceful, we don't require you at this hour. That's exactly what happened. Now if we come in big delegation like this, we can't. Everything will go wrong there. And people are very, very peaceful.
Even us,
they want just assistance to be guided to remove their things.
Joseph, we are also peaceful people. What we are saying is this, there's a middle ground. Just 1 minute.
The way you have formed yourselves up,
1 minute.
There is an indicator something will not be good.
1 minute only. I want to explain.
Just listen to Prime Minister.
Our station. We are opposition leaders. We are the government. The government on one side, we are on this other side. You need to respect the opposition. We are not destructive people.
It is respected, Mheshimiwa. It's only that it's not timely.
Are our supporters.
It's not timely.
We want to just go and talk to them.
What is the best time to come?
What's the best time to come?
What is the best time to come, Joseph?
Until I conclude the operation.
When are you concluding
The timeline, my timeline is yet to go.
Well, when do you anticipate you'll conclude there? Because we will come back. There's no problem.
Hopefully
Now,
next
Afande, let me ask you. I'm the area member of parliament. This is a governor, Machakos.
week. No problem.
This is
You came yourself as an area of
But you
the
see,
parliament.
even
But you see the kind of the reaction that was there against you.
Just let him answer one question.
Yeah.
When do we anticipate that this process will go?
Probably leave it until next week.
Next week.
Yes.
No, but we are allowed as civilians to go and see. We are not interfering with
The
the
time
work
to see
going on.
is not yet. The operation is
we
still going
are
on.
not
A lot of
interfering.
activities are going on there.
We are not interfering with whatever they are doing. But we are entitled
It's
to
a
go
direct
and see.
interference because who are you going to
Because
see?
we want
You are
to-
seeing the person who is removing his own belongings,
We want
telling him to stop, come and hear what you want to say.
No. That's not what we are here to do.
That's
We
exactly
want
what
to
you're going
talk to the country about what is going on here. And we are not allowed to stop us. Because it is not a government operation.
This is not a context between the government. It's not a context between the government and the opposition. This is just a simple thing. If I refused him as the area MP and you as the council and now as you as the governor, he just see me same status.
Joseph, it's fine. I think what we can do.
Thank you.
Joseph, just 1 minute. Don't go away. Don't run away from us.
You have
We are
concluded.
just talking.
Listen, this one, Joseph, let me tell you. This might define your own future and the future of your
No
children.
problem to that. That comes
Just
in,
because the
I'm an
President Ruto
employee.
alikuja akapeana amri, that's what you're following blindly.
Nani amefanya amri?
Of course, he gave orders here.
Who?
Ni president
I was
mwenyewe.
not in the meeting.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. But you're following what was
Asante.
communicated.
What we do, leaders, because you know these guys, they just want to cause an unnecessary confrontation.
Yeah.
We will tell them that we respect whatever decision they have made, but we need to speak to the country from here.
Yeah.
There's no need for them to get confrontational at all because we are not confrontational.
Tell you.
Yeah.
So, we can address it.
So you move it right. We're going back. I'm telling you, we're going back. There's no need for you to get confrontational. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, boss. Wapi watu wako watulie tu, si hatuna maneno.
Just chukua tu.
Makao wezi. Hey, Makao. 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 Makao come. Makao. 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 No, please. Let's go. Tulieni boss. Wewe tulia tu. Joseph. Tulia tu.
Hii shamba ni ya Kombani hii. Hii tutajenga, mpenda msipende. Na tutawarushia Ngoja. Na unajua kazi itaisha. Pata nyinyi.